Today we'll talk about how can you create program on your Wix app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. All you have to do, just go down, click here or manage down, just click on it. Then it's going to take you here in your profile. So then you go down here, then you click here on customers and leads, you just click on it. Then you click here on referral program, you just click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on create program. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Here add program name. So then here add referring customer reward. And here so add here a referred friend reward here. So then it's going to add with you when you click here on save. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.